Hello guys, today we are going to discuss about event binding. We'll see like how we can bind our event to particular like on HTML, right? So what is event binding? Event binding allow your Angular applications to respond to user actions like click, key press or mouse over. These kind of the event we have, right? So we how we can bind those with our HTML elements we are going to see today. So we have some example which we are going to be discussed, like we have one button where we are calling some function which we have written in the type script. So let's go to the code and understand like how we can bind those. So we'll open the command prompt. In command prompt we have to open our drive where we have the project. In F drive we have the Angular 20 folder. Inside Angular 20 we have the date 10 cd data. So now we'll open this in the VS code space dot. So now we are going to be open this code into the VS code and we'll see like how it is going to be bind our events. So we have the data and project. Inside the data and project we have this like default structure. In the default structure we are utilizing these two files, which is app.ts and app.html. So in app.ts we have written two methods like greet. Inside the greet we have the alert hello from Angular, which we are trying to show this, and then we have the show value methods also here. So inside that we are passing the value string and showing the alert on this, and we have one more separate methods which is like a on key up. So this is also we are showing inside the log. Okay, so after that we have this HTML. Inside the HTML we have this basic syntax which we are writing the button, and inside the button we are like calling our function using click event. So as you know, right, in JavaScript when we are writing any functions we are calling on click. So here we can call like click and we are calling the function name here, and then passing data with the event binding. So we have this event binding, right? How you are going to pass this? You are going to pass my input is the like you are passing, and then you have this click, and inside the click you are calling your function, and inside the function you are calling input dot value. If you hover it you will be able to read this like the input element interface provide the special properties methods manipulations. Okay, so save it and then run it. You will be able to see that like how it is going to be happen. Ng serve. It's building now. It's giving us the default URL for launching the application. So we'll copy paste this, and now you will be able to see this, right. So basic syntax is like when we will click this, you will be able to see the hello from Angular, right. And then second one, pass data with the event binding, right. So how you will pass it, you will be writing here, right, uh, Vishwa, and then if you click on this show value, right, it is going to show you the value. Okay, and then we have this event object elements example, right. If you type it here Vishwa, and then you will be able to see this in the console. So I'm opening this inspect, and in the console, if you see here, right, vi viss vish vish, so it is firing as per the our code, it is firing. So are you able to see here, right, this, I can make this zoom. So we have, as per our code, it is working as expected. So thanks for today for event binding, and tomorrow we'll discuss another topic. So please like my channel and subscribe my channel if you like it. Thank you very much.